New tool we got going into the toolbox today. We got the Ingersoll Rand 4621. It is a polisher sander. It's different than my drill. It's going to have a different change on the front for quick changes, and it's going to spin at a much higher RPM, which will be beneficial for sanding and polishing. Not to mention being much lighter weight. It does run on the 20 series. It's still on the 20 series battery, but it's the little one. So if you're a Milwaukee guy, it's probably the equivalent of running an M12 versus the 20, at least in size anyway. So let's see what it looks like when you open it. The owner's manual. The only thing I noticed on this, I know any country can build anything that's good, but it seems even Ingersoll Rand, tool, charger, and accessories made in China, battery made in Taiwan. So I guess that's why when you see the batteries for these on eBay and Amazon, the battery, if you're buying individual batteries alone, they're pretty expensive batteries. Maybe being made in Taiwan is why. All right, they both got one power. Let's get one charging. I've already got a charger from other tools I've bought. All right, so it's starting. For comparison's sake, let's compare it to the bigger battery. So this is the 2.5 amp 20 volt, and this is the 5. So it does come with the smaller batteries, which will be good because let's put that right in there. Comes with tools for your sanding pads and buffing and wool, all things you want for polishing. It comes with your cord, the actual tool itself. Wow, that is very small. That's great. It's going to be very lightweight. Your handle and your charger, as you can see over here. So now I have two. These are worth a lot of money on Amazon. I think I want to say 150 or so just for this. Two something, low twos, mid twos for the whole kit. But if you're buying just these individually, the batteries individually, these individually are kind of expensive. And I've seen on Amazon you can get the double charger, and the only reason where you'd want the double charger compared to this is because I'm gonna use what I got now. So I got this nice plug on my toolbox right there, and we are gonna get this set up to ride next to each other. I'm gonna have them set up like this. The only downside to having them like this versus having them anywhere else is now I got to use up two plugs there. You know, wherever your outlet is, you got to use up two plugs versus the double on Amazon. You know, it's one plug. Something to think about. All right, so I got everything out, and yes, it does feel lightweight. It feels very good. Here's an in comparison to the size of my hand. It's definitely it doesn't say the actual weight on it, but look at that, 8,300 RPM. So it spins pretty quick. It's gonna, for example, my drill in this drawer. I'll get the drill out here for comparison. Here's the drill versus the polisher. Okay, not to mention this thing is significantly heavier. It's got a spin in front here. And let's put our, looks like you can run the handle on either side, whether you're righty or lefty, or as job dictates. All right, we're gonna leave it on that side right now so I don't lose it. And then looks like this is just an on and off. And we got 1 and 2 for assume low speed and high speed. Okay, so we got it apart, and I got one on there. This kit, when you buy this one, comes with two sanding attachments, a 3-inch and a 2-inch. All right, it both says 20,000 RPM, 3-inch, and they just screw in here. You know, here I got the 2-inch on there, and then you got to go buy your disc and whatever that hook in there. Okay, and the same for both of them. Now, if we take this off, what it does come with, but it comes with, the kit comes with nothing to help sand out of the box. It does come with one backing pad, and there's the threading. This button is a locking feature, so if you hold it, if you spin the thing and hold it down, you will be able to get that twist, find the right spot where it hooks it or locks it, and then you can twist it out real easy. Now the kit comes with two foam pads and a wool pad, and they got no fancy, there's Velcro. So put it on there, and you can start polishing day one with this. All right, like I said, the kit's sanding work, you have to go buy go to Ace Hardware, Home Depot, whatever has that type of setup, and you got 2 sanding sizes. But you can polish a small panel of a car day one. That's what it comes with. So let's get the battery on there and do a quick see. All right, we're up to 2 powers, or 2. All right, so low speed is about 3,000 RPM, about the same as the drill, about the same. That's about the same as the high end on the drill. Yep, it's about the same as the drill. I like how they have a light right here, help you see whatever you're doing. And here's going to be max speed. Ooh, buddy, that's quick. I don't want to freewheel it with that one on, in fear of it might just disintegrating or something. But let's try that one. All right, so this button is a power. It's a lock. There's nothing going on. Push it through the other side, and now it's on. So that's quick. That is quick. All right, if you push the button, the light turns off. Nice. It's a nice tool. I don't have a professional use to polish, but I wanted to make a video for one, but two, I also got a bunch of turtle wax stuff that I want to start making some videos on, and I need a good polisher. I do have my big 7-inch polisher. However, this is going to be better for the fenders and some other smaller spots. That, not to mention, this one's battery. My 7-inch is corded, so I figured this would help me out and be able to get a lot of my stuff done, especially the stuff that's away from the garage a little bit. I don't have an extension cord available or something. So this is nice. Once again, I'm happy with my purchase with another IR power tool, and we will make another video in the future on using this. All right, hopefully we'll get some sanding work in, and but I mainly bought this for my uses. I mainly bought this for the polishing part, the cutting, buffing, and polishing. That's what I mainly bought this for. So we will do that and go on from there. All right, but that is my review of the Ingersoll Rand tool right here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.